Majority of the world's population are visual learners. That is why Henrik Ibsen coined the adage, "A picture is worth 1,000 words." Because complex and sometimes multiple ideas can be conveyed by a single still image, which communicates its meaning or essence more effectively than a mere verbal description. Hello, Canva heroes and heroines. My name is Chris Magatdula, a social media manager and Canva graphic designer. If you are a creative who want to start a side hustle using Canva, join me at the Freelancing Summit 2022 as together we take a bite of the gig economy. Whether you are a beginner or already a Canva user, I'm sure by attending the summit, you will still learn some helpful tips on how you can not just only show your magic to the world through your creative visuals, but also how you can earn 5 or 6-figure monthly income using Canva. Today is the last day of registration for the Freelancing Summit 2022. Be sure not to miss it. It's already happening tomorrow, June 14th until the 30th, every night from Tuesdays until Fridays at 7 o'clock. Canva schedule is on Thursday, June 16th. So sign up now and see ya!